Visualization is a fantastic tool to help you get more of what you really want. But before we get into that, I just want to ask you a few quick questions first. You see, I've been speaking to my awesome customers lately, and whilst there's no denying that these people are inherently unique and rather eccentric creatures, they do share some common goals and challenges. My reasoning is that if you resonate with these questions, if they speak to you in some way, you'll likely love the training, which I'm going to talk to you about in a moment. In short, I just want to see if you're going to fit in and you're going to love it. So, just answer the questions honestly in your head and notice what kind of emotions come up for you. Ready? First, are you absolutely aching for success, but for some reason you haven't quite got there yet? Do you think positive in public, but privately dread not reaching your goals? Do you feel somewhat conflicted about, on the one hand, desiring big material success, but on the other hand, wanting to live a spiritual life of purpose? Despite your best intentions, do you still find yourself lacking motivation and procrastinating? Do you worry about money and try ever so hard to be abundant, but end up reverting to scarcity thinking and lack? And have you practically given up on personal development after all of the unkept promises? If so, welcome, you are in good company. You'll probably love our little community of passionate, ambitious, honest folks who are finally starting to create the lives they dreamt of for years. But first, here's a couple more positive questions for you to set the scene a little better. I assure you it's not all doom and gloom. I'm really just trying to connect with you and see if you're the right kind of person for this. So, in short, and I'll be frank here, do you want to get rich by doing what you love and helping people in the best way you can? Do you want to live a life filled with purpose, but also drive a nice car, wear expensive clothes, take exotic holidays, and be rich in the material sense as well? Do you want to push yourself, take more action and reach your potential, but in a way which feels right to you, that's congruent, that isn't hyped up, that doesn't make you feel like you're being inauthentic? And do you want to make a difference and feel genuinely happy and peaceful more of the time? Finally, do you want to feel that deep sense of well-being, self-belief and inner confidence more of the time that at the moment can often just be fleeting? If so, I really, genuinely, honestly think I can help you. 3 years ago, you see, I was stuck in a job I hated. I was trading my time for money and feeling incredibly stressed. I drank too much, I smoked cigarettes, I smoked weed to escape my reality, I had drastic mood swings. In short, I really didn't like my life very much and I was very sad a lot of the time. Luckily, very luckily, as I was hitting rock bottom, I was gifted with a synchronicity, as is often the case, and somebody quite by chance gave me a copy of Dr. Maxwell Maltz's book, Psycho-Cybernetics. It is not an exaggeration to say that this book changed my life. Psycho-Cybernetics introduced me to the wonderful world of visualization. Now look, I value your time, so I'm not going to tell you the whole story now, but suffice to say a lot has changed fast. Fast forward 3 years to today, and by using visualization to gently but persistently change my self-image and my identity, and this is key, to reprogram my subconscious mind over time with more empowering beliefs and inspired goals, I've been able to quit my job and become a successful entrepreneur, working from home, doing what I love, enjoy material success. Like this year I got a new sports car, regular trips to fantastic restaurants, took a month in Thailand. And honestly, this is the best thing of all, is for the first time in my life, I actually feel really confident, really happy being me. Being able to make these changes have literally been a dream come true for me. And for the past 12 months or so, I've been teaching people just like you how to visualize, and of course how to take inspired action too, in a way which seems to generate faster real-world results. And I've been thrilled to know this, not just me being fluky, like this stuff can be taught and people genuinely are getting similar results to me just by putting it into action. The most fantastic thing for me personally is seeing my customers finally reach their potential, overcome sometimes years of procrastination, and effectively live their dreams. Now, look, if you are fed up with some of the more woo-woo law of attraction stuff out there, which implies that all you have to do if you want that Ferrari is visualize it and stick it up on your vision board and voila, it will show up, then you're going to love my stuff, because it's not like that at all. Not only is this very practical and action orientated, but it's fun and you'll enjoy the process almost as much as you'll enjoy the results. So today, look, you've got two very special offers to choose from. First up, I've got my Visualize Riches Advanced Visualization Training. This is my flagship product, and it's a market-leading 90-minute video extravaganza, which breaks down my unique system into 5 easy steps. Nice and simple. What I'm going to do is explain exactly what you need to do in great detail, so there is no guesswork involved whatsoever. And what this means to you is that you can avoid the whole trial and error phase and literally just jump straight into what works. And I've been refining this technique for 3 years and teaching it to people for a year. Genuinely, we've got it nailed. It's concise, it's focused on action, it's fun, and it will help you get results. One of my favourite reviews just came in from a customer, and quote, "It is so simple, my 6-year-old could do it," which I absolutely loved. So look, all you have to do is you log into the special VIP member site where the training is hosted. When you buy it, I'll automatically email you your login name and password. So you go in, you log into the site, and literally it's all online, so you can start watching right away. You can start visualizing like a pro tonight, or even in a few minutes from now. It's the beauty of the internet. You can get started right away. You're also going to get a whole raft of rather epic bonuses. I won't go into huge detail now because I'm wary of time, but you'll get some awesome MP3s, some awesome ebooks. There's some really cool stuff in there. Also, there's a whole community of people in there as well, where you can post and ask questions and just hang out with other like-minded folks. Awesome. Now, normally, this package costs $47, and it's sold, I don't know, hundreds of copies at that price. And I think that's awesome value as well, given the results people are getting. However, I should point out, all of my stuff, and this included, comes with a full 2-month guarantee for you to try it out and see if you love it. Naturally, as I've just said, it's all online, so if you don't love it, it's not as if there's anything to send back. All you do is send me an email, and boom, I'll give you your money back. You can even keep the stuff anyway, my way of saying thanks for trying me out. So, you know, no risk here whatsoever, and I'm sure you'll love it anyway. So it's normally $47, but today you can have this entire training program, including lifetime membership to the community, for just $23. Why? Because frankly, I want to get you in there, and I know you'll love it, and I want you to get results. So $23 for the whole lot. But wait, there's more. So recently I realized that lots of my customers were thrilled to learn how to visualize, but some were getting a bit dejected because, who would have thought, like any skill, visualization takes some time and effort in order to master. You know, you have to experiment a little bit and you have to practice. So people were saying to me, my customers are saying, "Carl, can't you find a faster way? I'm busy, you know, make it better, make it faster." So I did. I went away and genuinely spent 6 months this year creating and refining what I believe is the world's first guided visualization MP3, which is specifically engineered to get you to take action immediately after listening. I called it Visualize Action, and since I launched it a few weeks ago, it's sold like crazy, and I'm humbled and thrilled, which is awesome. Practically everyone who's given me feedback has said a variation of, "It's the best visualization of my life." It's 45 minutes long. It's me guiding you through a visualization recorded over powerful binaural beats, which are brainwave MP3. So you'll be in a deep meditative state, which gives us better access to your subconscious mind. So I speak directly to your unconscious mind, and I help you to visualize in the most vivid detail imaginable your dream house, your dream work environment, your relationships, and your dream financial situation, and more. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but suffice to say, this is such an in-depth and beautiful experience. You'll emerge just feeling insanely good about yourself, full of vibrant, positive energy, and yeah, geared up to take some action right away, because action is what's going to turn these dreams into a reality, as I'm sure you know. In short, What this means is you can listen to this whenever you want to get results from visualization fast. Now, I highly recommend the video training because it's a great skill to have to learn how to visualize on your own. But I get that we're all busy and sometimes you just want someone else to do the work for you. And this is what this MP3 is for. You put it on, you visualize, 45 minutes later, boom, you're done. And it's the best visualization you're going to have as well. Now, I've been selling this MP3 for $17 for the launch, although I just put the price up. That was just to test the market for it, and obviously the market was very responsive. So I've just put the price up. However, today, as part of this rather special offer, I'd like to give you the Visualize Riches video training. So that's the video training we spoke about, hosted in the membership site. And also, I want to give you this Visualize Action MP3. This is the guided visualization, the audio, together in a bundled package for just $37. Which, if you add up the prices I'm selling the courses for separately, this is about a third of the price that other people would pay if they bought the thing separately. So, part of my special offer today, just $37, protected by a 2-month guarantee. If you don't love it, just send me an email and I'll give you your money back. But I'm sure you will love it, and I'm sure you'll get incredible results. So look, whichever of these options you choose, I genuinely look forward to meeting you inside the members area. And, of course, getting to know you over the coming weeks and months. I have an awesome relationship with so many of my customers. I'm incredibly approachable. I give you my email address right away as soon as you register. And any questions you have, just get in touch. You know, I've made great friends with so many of my customers, and I genuinely hope to do the same with you. Just one last point to remember before I let you go. My customers tell me, so many of them say that the biggest fear they had before joining my training, and there's various variations of this, but the biggest fear tends to be worrying that you're not going to succeed in the way you want to. Some level of that. You set goals, you dream big, you read all the books, but at some level there's that unconscious nagging fear that you're not going to succeed in the way you want to. Frankly, I genuinely can't think of a more effective and a more enjoyable way to be more of the person you want to be and to gently condition yourself to achieve that level of success than by using the forgotten art of visualization. I really hope you let me teach you what I've learned, because I know the impact it can have. And there's no better way to do it, because rather than, some of these methodologies involve a whole lot of work, all we're doing here is I'm teaching you a way to imagine yourself at your best. And who would have thought that feels awesome? You see yourself every day achieving your goals, having the relationships you want, being the kind of person you want to be, earning the kind of money, spending the kind of money you want to have. You generate those emotions for real now. There's no better, no more addictive way to get more of the life you want than by using visualization. So if you want it, and I hope you do, click add to cart now, and I'll see you inside very shortly. Thank you so much for your attention, and I look forward to meeting you soon.